Hello everyone. Today I'll be reviewing the Subway pizza sub on Italian herb and cheese. So, I love myself some Subway here and there. A little bit of recent controversy around what's in their food, but I think the pizza sub is fairly safe. The tuna is the one I've been getting some coverage on. So, there's the sub itself. This bread is really good, so excited to get into this. So the pizza sub comes with cheese, pepperoni, and marinara sauce. Then I get spinach, green peppers, red onions, jalapenos, and banana peppers, and white cheese. So there it is, first bite. I find this tastes like a really good pizza. Makes you do a good job with this. It honestly feels like you're eating pizza. And Subway's does it right. So good. The bread is honestly the best part of it. And I love that Subway has convinced us that eating a whole loaf of bread is healthy. Because I don't know. I don't consider bread to be that inherently healthy, but it does have some vegetables on it, so that does help out. This tastes amazing. The bread's great, the sauce is good, the cheese, and Italian herb and cheese is, I think, the best bread to get on this because it just adds that kind of authentic pizza feel. Too good. Honestly, too good. I like getting jalapeno banana pepper on this because it adds a little bit of a kick to it. So as far as Subway subs go, this one's really good. I'd say it's a 9 out of 10 compared to other Subway subs because it tastes so dang good. It has a decent amount of calories, and it's one of the cheaper options there too, which is nice because something like a steak and cheese is a little bit more pricey. And if you're not sure where the meats are coming from, it's probably best to go with something that's not going to cost you a lot. That's just my 2 cents. Subway overall, I'd give it like a 7.5 or an 8 out of 10. Like, it's a good place to get food. I don't go crazy often because, again, there's a little bit of controversy around it and its perceived healthiness. But this is my go-to sub, or the steak and cheese. I like that one as well, but this is a little cheaper and it tastes like pizza. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.